Let's fill out the Minnesota dirt bike bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you're selling a dirt bike, and you want to make sure your bill of sale covers everything the state requires. Let's walk through it together. First, the seller, that's the owner, must sign an assignment and warranty of title at the time the vehicle is delivered to the buyer. This is a key step, so don't skip it. Next, you'll need to include the buyer's full name, address, and driver's license number if they have one. You'll also want to record the date of the sale clearly on the document. For the sale price, go ahead and state the actual selling price in the space provided on the certificate. No estimates here, the real number. Now for the odometer. You're required to state the true cumulative mileage registered on the odometer. If for some reason that number isn't known, you can note that the actual mileage is unknown. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.